here. This poem is called Be Real from my book, Dancing with Words. To be real is to remove layers of yourself that have been carried around for decades and sometimes lifetimes. To be real is to experience the emptiness like a carpet has been pulled from under your feet, leaving your old life behind in order to rebuild a new life. To be real is to see the veil of forgetfulness fall off your mind's eye, the truth existing inside of you, the tough choices to let go of things that don't serve you anymore, so as to allow the new growth. To be real is to love without conditions, is to allow others to be themselves, to allow the soul to express itself, to give love without expecting reciprocation. To be real is to prepare your physical vessel to experience a buffet of cleansing experiences, the headaches, the fatigue, sleepless nights, itching skin, the intolerance of processed foods, the highlighted senses to all vibes, the vibrating skin, the ringing in the ears, the lucid dreams, empathy in a league of its own. To be real is to experience activations of remembrance, triggers by Mother Nature's sensitivity to all things, empathy beyond imagination, creativity that flows like an out of control river dam. You see what others don't see. You can touch what others can't touch. You can feel what others can't feel. The smells, the sounds. To be real pulls on your heartstring. Understanding the complexity and intelligence of your body, perfected use of life force energy, manipulation of light and dark, integration of your whole self within yourself. To be real is to embrace the shadow of you. You are all that, the good, bad, ugly, and upsetting. That's all you. All emotions are acceptable and permissible. To be real is to allow the ascension journey, the transformation of your physicality, the rebuilding of your character, the acceptance of the divine plan to reign supreme. To be real is to lean back and relax in the flow of life's moments with the promptings of your heart. To be real is to allow space and flexibility for the unexpected as part of your very existence. This poem is called To Be Real, reading from my book, Dancing with Words. Go out there and be real. Talk to you soon.